One of the best accessories for your Cybex stroller is this travel bag, and it's super easy to use. Begin by collapsing your stroller. You can do this with one hand even if you're holding your baby in the other hand. This is so easy to do. Open up the bag, place your stroller inside, and then close the zipper. One of the real benefits of this design is that you don't have to remove the wheels or the handle or the back before you collapse your stroller. Everything goes in as one package. The bag comes with this convenient strap that you can even use to carry the bag on your back. The travel bag is made of durable and waterproof material, and it's going to protect your stroller from stains and scratches in transit. You can even use the travel bag to transport your stroller in the luggage hold of an aircraft. The travel bag comes in its own protective pouch, and you can store the bag in the shopping basket underneath your stroller. It fits in there perfectly. If you want an easy way to transport your Cybex stroller, definitely pick up this travel bag. Use the link in the video description to learn more about this carrying bag. You can find more information about pricing and availability. And for more great baby product reviews, click or tap the screen right here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.